Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Safari app on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, locate the Safari app on your home screen. Tap on the Safari app and hold on to it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Remove App. Finally, you will be asked to confirm your choice. Tap on the Remove from Home Screen option. This action will remove the Safari app from your home screen. And this is how you can remove Safari app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.